Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris headlight bulb. This process involves a few straightforward steps, starting with safely accessing the bulb. You will need some basic hand tools, like a screwdriver, to remove certain components. It is important to ensure you have the correct replacement bulb type before you begin. We will guide you through each part of the replacement process. First, open your car's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You will likely find a few clips or screws holding the assembly in place. Carefully remove these. Once unsecured, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action creates enough space to reach the bulb housing from behind, making the next steps much easier. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by pressing a tab and pulling. Next, unclip or twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the housing, twisting clockwise or clipping it into place. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. After the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Then, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinstall any clips or screws you removed earlier to secure the assembly firmly. Finally, turn on your car's lights to test the new bulb, ensuring it illuminates properly before you close the hood completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.